25 windows. Close the door, we have to do this. So all the lights are off now. This is going towards the garage. Hold this real quick. Since we're here, to car garage, washer and dryer. Garage looks pretty new. There's a lot of space. Good. Okay, this is with all the shutters closed. It is overcast today. Please be sure to close blinds. Oh. Okay, so this is with them a little open. It is overcast, unfortunately. This is the balcony. That looks newer. Okay, there's a hose. There's a closet. Oh, this is where the water heater is. Take a picture. Okay, looks good. The year. Okay, I'll come back and look at the year. Okay. Once you open it, open these a little more, it's going to be a little brighter. But you want them closed. It is overcast today. There's a little fireplace. Looks like it's recently painted. Kitchen. Okay, and then there's some closet space here. Bathroom, guest bathroom. Looks good. Looks good. And we'll go to this. Closet. Big. This is how big it is. Has a fan. Window looking to the garage. Neighbor's garages. Okay, and then we're going to the master bedroom. Closets. Window. And bathroom. Hi. And lights. Bathroom. It's clean. Floors are good. And this is it. This is all right.